We will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Photoroom app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, so you keep going down. Then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Photoroom app, or just click on search. Then here add Photoroom app, it's going to show for you like this. So Photoroom app, it's going to show for you like this here. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here. So you just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again. Then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.